Shalom everyone. So of course you guys have definitely tried fried biscuits by now. So wait until I show you guys this hack. Let's go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off with some Pillsbury Doughboy cornbread swirls. That's right. You can pick this up at Walmart, by the way. And then all you're gonna do is take it out of the packaging that it has. It does come with 6, but we're gonna make more of this. So what you're gonna do is cut this in half. And once you've cut this in half, and I'm gonna show you one more time as well too. And by the way, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and like, share, and also subscribe to this channel because you will not be disappointed, I tell you. I got more recipes coming for you guys and you guys are definitely going to love them. So back into the video. So I serve this up with my Cajun fried salmon macaroni and cheese recipe, and let me tell you, it paired absolutely incredibly delicious together. So with that, you guys, you can make this for brunch, you can make this for breakfast, or even for a quick snack for lunch. So, and don't forget dinner. So once you're done cutting them in half, I use canola oil. Canola oil doesn't really have too much of a harsh oil taste, so that's why I decided to go with that. And you're gonna just fry them on both sides until, of course, they're golden brown. So it might take approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It just all depends on your stovetop. But with that, once you start seeing that golden brown color, you're just gonna give it a quick flip. And then from there, and this, let me tell you, this does not take anywhere between like 5 to 10 minutes to cook. So you'll have this done in no time. I'm trying to tell you, your kids will love it. Your husbands will love it. Your significant others will love it. So anyways, once they are all done, go ahead and set them to the side. Let them drain off a little bit and let them cool down. Then you can dazzle them with a little bit of brown sugar, or you can even dazzle them like I am with some powdered sugar. And also drizzling on some honey, because this is honey fried cornbread, okay? And then from there, serve them up, enjoy them, and trust me, you will be making this time and time again. But with that, you guys, I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this hack and this recipe. But with that, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and I will see you in the next video. But make sure you guys like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Shalom. I'm out.